Starting a business in 2025 no longer requires huge capital, office space, or investors. What it actually requires is skills, consistency, and the willingness to start before you feel ready. Because some of the most profitable businesses today cost almost nothing to launch. The first thing you need to understand is that money is not the biggest barrier. Hesitation is. One of the simplest businesses you can start with zero money is freelancing. If you can write, design, edit videos, manage social media, analyze data, do customer support, teach, or even organize information, you already have a sellable skill. Platforms like social media, email outreach, and networking allow you to get clients without paying for ads. The second powerful option is content creation. You don't need fancy cameras or studios. Your phone, your voice, and your ideas are enough. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blogging, or podcasting, content creation allows you to build an audience first and monetize later through ads, sponsorships, digital products, or services. Third is online consulting or coaching. If you have knowledge in fitness, language learning, academics, career guidance, finance basics, or personal development, people will pay for your experience, not your degrees. You don't need a website to start, just clear messaging and proof of value. Another zero-cost idea is digital services like social media management, email marketing, SEO optimization, data entry, virtual assistants, or AI prompt services. These businesses require learning, not capital, and can scale quickly if you deliver results. You can also start reselling or flipping products using items you already own, or by listing products without holding inventory through dropshipping or print-on-demand models. The key is understanding demand, not spending money up front. Affiliate marketing is another low-cost opportunity where you earn commissions by recommending products you genuinely use. With consistent content and trust building, affiliate income can turn into a reliable stream over time. If you enjoy teaching, online tutoring or course creation is one of the fastest ways to turn knowledge into income. Free tools allow you to host classes, create PDFs, and deliver value without upfront investment. Even community-based businesses, like paid groups, accountability circles, or niche communities, can be launched with zero cost using social platforms. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting for the perfect idea instead of starting with what they already know. In 2025, execution matters more than originality. You don't need to invent something new. You need to solve a real problem better, faster, or more clearly. Most zero-cost businesses fail not because they don't work, but because people quit too early when results aren't instant. Success comes from showing up daily, learning from feedback, improving your offer, and staying consistent long after motivation fades. If you can commit time, effort, and learning, you can build a business without money, but you can't build one without patience. Start small, test ideas, reinvest your first earnings, and grow gradually. The internet has removed the financial gatekeepers, but discipline remains the price of entry. In 2025, the real opportunity isn't in having money, it's in knowing how to create value. Start where you are, use what you have, and let consistency turn nothing into something.